In order to scan a document on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, first of all, we can open the camera. Then in the camera, we can go all the way to the More section, and we need to find the Scan option. Once you activate the scan, you can just point at your document. There we go, and you don't even have to use the shutter button. As you can see, the phone takes the photo by itself. We have automatic scanning. Of course, we can discard it, and you can also turn off automatic capture just by tapping on this icon over here. So then you can point at your document and use the shutter button by yourself, just like that. Besides that, we can of course add another page if you want to. You can retake that page in case it turned out to look bad. We also have the cropping tool, rotate, filters, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, we should be able to manage our scanned document quite easily. And of course, once you are done, just tap on Save and Finish over here. And we also have the information that the picture was saved in Gallery, but the PDF document is saved in the Files app. You also have the option to immediately open one or the other file. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.